Hey guys, welcome back to another video on California travel shots. In this video, we're going to be walking through the Japanese Village Plaza here in Little Tokyo, Los Angeles, California. Here in California travel shots, we'll be taking you guys on an exploration walking tour through Little Tokyo in downtown Los Angeles with relaxing jazz and modern easy listening and instrumental music in the background for listening pleasure. Japanese American community, conveniently located at the gateway to the Little Tokyo district of downtown Los Angeles. The Japanese Village Plaza is located at 335 East 2nd Street, Los Angeles, California. This plaza offers a unique shopping and dining experience in relaxing, comfortable atmosphere. The Japanese Village Plaza is more than a historic shopping center. It is now a place where customers can come early and stay late for a variety of services, shopping, dining, and entertainment. This area was originally built in 1942 during World War II, when the Japanese population in the area were evacuated to inland concentration camps. After the war, many of the Japanese moved back into the surrounding sections of downtown Los Angeles. Little Tokyo has served as an Asian American venue for performing arts. Such venues include the East-West Players Theaters, Union Center for the Arts, the Japanese American Community and Culture Center, and the Japanese American National Museum. Here in the City of Angels, the Japanese Village Plaza is nested in the heart of Los Angeles. There's a hidden gem that will transport you to the vibrant streets of Japan. By saying konnichiwa to the Japanese Village Plaza, it is said that it is a cultural oasis that will offer a captivating glimpse into the Japanese tradition, cuisine, and shopping. Whether you're Japanphile, a curious traveler, or a local looking for a unique experience, this is a must-visit spot that promises to immerse you in the beauty of the richness of the Japanese culture. The rich history behind this place is originally established in the 1970s. The plaza served as a vibrant hub for the Japanese American community. Over the years, it has evolved into a destination showcasing a wide range of shops and eateries while retaining its distinctive charm. No visit to the Japanese Village Plaza here in Los Angeles is complete without indulging in the authentic flavors of Japanese cuisine, from mouth-watering ramen to sushi bars and impressive teppanyaki grills. There's something to satisfy every taste, so definitely come here when definitely hungry. The architecture of the Japanese Village Plaza instantly transports you to the streets of Japan, featuring an important century blue tiles and red paper lanterns. The traditional Yaruga fire tower adds the authentic atmosphere, making you feel as if you're actually walking through a Japanese village market here in Los Angeles. Little Tokyo, neighborhood of downtown Los Angeles, has its own new mural titled LA Rising. Depicting Shohei Ohtani, it is pointed on the wall of the Miyako Hotel in Little Tokyo. Shohei Ohtani is a symbol of pride and excitement for Los Angeles Dodger fans, especially those in the Little Tokyo neighborhood mural. Featuring pitcher and slugger Shohei Ohtani is coming into focus in the mural. The mural is located on the wall of the 11-story Miyako Hotel and is created by artist Robert Vargas, as reported by the Japanese American newspaper, the Shefu Shinpo. The mural is called LA Rising, symbolizing the cultural bridge between Japan and the City of Angels. As I let you guys watch this beautiful video of the Japanese American culture, please stay tuned and watch this video for more information. With roots dating to the 1800s, Little Tokyo is a major cultural and civic center for Japanese Americans living in Southern California. One of 3 official Japan towns in the United States, Little Tokyo is the home of the annual Nissan Week Festival and was declared a National Historic Landmark District in 1995. From museums to restaurants and bars, one of LA's most historic and popular multicultural neighborhoods. Charming and walkable and friendly, Little Tokyo is setting a new, more relaxing pace, and it always invites everyone to experience its charm. Visitors will find dozens of delectable food options, great bars, live performance, world-class museums, and shopping that is not only eclectic but also affordable.